Welcome to the MCQ Circle YouTube channel. Maximize your preparation through MCQs. Let's begin. Today's topic: rocks, volcanoes, continents and oceans. In 1596, who suggested in his work, Thesaurus Geographicus, that the continents of the earth were not always located in their present positions? Correct answer, option B, Abraham Ortelius. Which of the following is an example of formation of metamorphic rocks? Correct answer, option C, formation of slate. Which of the following rocks formed when shale undergoes metamorphism? Correct answer, option D, slate. Which of the following is not a rock? Correct answer, option D, quartz. The process of measuring various physical and chemical properties of the rocks and fluids within a wellbore is known as? Correct answer, option A, well logging. Structural geology deals with? Correct answer, option C, the form, classification, mechanism, and causes of rock structures evolution. Which of the following is a yellowish-green to green-colored gemstone often found in mafic and ultramafic igneous rocks such as basalt, gabbro, dunite, diabase and peridotite? Correct answer, option B, olivine. The breaking up of the rocks on the Earth's surface is called as? Correct answer, option A, weathering. Which type of rock can be considered as a biological sedimentary rock? Correct answer, option D, limestone. Sedimentary rocks are formed by the process of deposition and compaction of fragments of rocks of various sizes. This process is called? Correct answer, option D, lithification. Which scientist is credited with proposing the theory of continental drift? Correct answer, option D, Alfred Wegener. Dash is a metamorphic rock form characterized by banding caused by segregation of different types of rock, typically light and dark silicates. Correct answer, option A, gneiss. How many types of igneous rocks are there? Correct answer, option B, 2. What type of rocks were once igneous or sedimentary, but have metamorphosed as a result of intense heat and/or pressure within the Earth's crust? Correct answer, option B, quartzite. Which of the following rocks floats in water? Correct answer, option C, pumice. Rocks which have solidified from molten magma are called? Correct answer, option C, igneous rocks. What type of the rock is granite? Correct answer, option D, intrusive igneous rocks. When a volcano erupts on Earth, the erupted material is typically a liquid rock known as? Correct answer, option B, lava. The peninsular plateau of India was a part of which continent earlier? Correct answer, option D, Africa. Which of the following is a type of sedimentary rock? Correct answer, option A, sandstone. Continental shelf, which is the shallowest part of the ocean, has an average gradient of? Correct answer, option A, 1 degree or even less. A large body of magmatic material that cools in the deeper depth of the Earth's crust and develops in the form of large domes is known as? Correct answer, option A, batholiths. The Arabian Sea is an extension of which of the following oceans? Correct answer, option D, Indian Ocean. The periodic growth and drop of sea water level is known as? Correct answer, option C, tide. Which of the following oceans extends into the Mediterranean Sea? Correct answer, option C, Atlantic Ocean. Where does the lower salinity water rest with the higher salinity dense water? Correct answer, option A, above. Which is the correct sequence of oceans according to size, from largest to smallest? Correct answer, option C, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. Where is the deepest point on Earth, the Mariana Trench, located? Correct answer, option B, Pacific Ocean. What is the average salinity of the Indian Ocean? Correct answer, option A, 35 parts per thousand. Which of the following countries belong to the polar regions? Correct answer, option A, Canada. Which water body covers an area of 15,558,000 km squared and makes up only 4.3% of the global ocean? Correct answer, option B, Arctic Ocean. Which is the largest continental shelf in the world? Correct answer, option D, the Siberian Shelf in the Arctic Ocean. Which of the following is a group of islands found in the tropical oceans consisting of coral reefs and a central depression? Correct answer, option B, atoll. Seamount with flat tops are called? Correct answer, option C, guyotts. The Northeast Canyons and Seamounts Marine National Monument is located in The? Correct answer, option C, Atlantic Ocean. Which of the following was not a part of Gondwanalon? Correct answer, option D, North America. Rocks which contains fossils are? Correct answer, option A, sedimentary rocks. What is the geographic location of the world's largest coral reef, known as the Great Barrier Reef? Correct answer, option B, Australia. Millions of years ago, the Indian subcontinent was separated from the mainland by a large sea known as The? Correct answer, option A, Tethys. Which of the following is not a part of the ocean floor? Correct answer, option D, the deep sea shelf. The thermocline layer is the dash layer of the ocean? Correct answer, option D, second. Which of the following is the third largest ocean in the world and is present on the southern side of Asia? Correct answer, option D, Indian Ocean. A village is established in a region where land meets the ocean. What is this region called? Correct answer, option A, coastal region. Which is the largest sea located in the North Indian Ocean, covering an area of about 3.86 million square kilometers? Correct answer, option D, Arabian Sea. Which ocean is encircling the continent of Antarctica and extends northward to 60 degrees south latitude? Correct answer, option D, Southern Ocean. In 1962, who published The History of Ocean Basins, which outlined the theory of how tectonic plates could move, later called seafloor spreading? Correct answer, option B, Harry Hammond Hess. Which of the following oceans is surrounded by the continent of North America and South America to the east? Correct answer, option A, Pacific Ocean. Due to the attraction of the sun and the moon, what is the frequency of up and falls of ocean water in a day? Correct answer, option A, 2. The study of rocks is called? Correct answer, option C, petrology. Ocean acidification is the ongoing decrease in the pH of the Earth's oceans, caused by the uptake of dash from the atmosphere? Correct answer, option B, carbon dioxide. Name the only sea in the world that does not have a land boundary? Correct answer, option A, Sargasso Sea. What is the normal air pressure at sea level? Correct answer, option A, 1013.25 millibars. The igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks are interconvertible through a continuous process called. Correct answer, option C, rock cycle. The layer made up of unconsolidated rock, dust, soil, etc., that is deposited on a bedrock surface like a blanket is known as. Correct answer, option B, regolith. Layers of varying thickness are found in which type of rock? Correct answer, option B, sedimentary rock. Exfoliation is a form of. Correct answer, option A, physical weathering. The core of the Great Himalayas is composed of. Correct answer, option B, granite. Which of the following determines the color, texture, chemical properties, mineral content and permeability of the soil? Correct answer, option A, parent rock. Which of the following types of volcanic eruptions of Earth's volcanoes are most explosive? Correct answer, option A, caldera. What is the name of the process of gases being outpoured from the interior of the solid Earth? Correct answer, option C, degassing. Which plains are formed due to weathering of soluble rocks such as limestone and dolomite? Correct answer, option B, karst. The downfold in a rock is known as? Correct answer, option A, syncline. Where is India's only active volcano, Barren Island, located? Correct answer, option A, Andaman Islands. Which mountain has the highest elevation in the African continent? Correct answer, option D, Mount Kilimanjaro. Which active volcano known as the lighthouse of the Mediterranean? Correct answer, option B, Stromboli. The highest volcano in the world is? Correct answer, option A, Ojos del Salado. What was the name of the giant single landmass which had split to form the present continents of the world? Correct answer, option A, Pangaea. What is archipelago? Correct answer, option A, group of island or chains. Which is the smallest continent? Correct answer, option A, Australia. Which of the following water bodies has the highest salinity in the world? Correct answer, option C, Dead Sea. Where is the famous Bermuda Triangle located? Correct answer, option A, Atlantic Ocean. In 1930s, which of the following theories was propounded by Arthur Holmes about the mantle? Correct answer, option C, convectional current theory. A portion of land mass from the shoreline up to the shelf break that is submerged under shallow water is known as? Correct answer, option C, continental slope. Which of the following are formed by subduction between a plate carrying continental crust and a plate carrying oceanic crust? Correct answer, option C, ocean trench. Which of the following water bodies are also known as nurseries of the ocean? Correct answer, option D, estuaries. Oceanic trenches or the narrow depressions on the seafloor are formed by the reason of? Correct answer, option A, tectonic activity. Which of the following group of organisms are more vulnerable to the acidification of ocean? Correct answer, option A, calcifying organisms. Fuels that are derived from fossils are preserved only in which kind of rocks? Correct answer, option B, sedimentary rocks. The original non-metamorphic rock that undergoes profound physical or chemical changes leading to the formation of a metamorphic rock is known as? Correct answer, option C, protolith. Which of the following is not one of the major types of rocks? Correct answer, option A, magnetic rocks. Which are the two most common mineral found in rocks? Correct answer, option A, feldspar and quartz. Which of the following plates has the slowest rate of movement at less than 2.5 centimeters per year? Correct answer, option A, Arctic Ridge. Which is a circular basin covering an area of 5.247 million square miles surrounded by North America and Eurasia? Correct answer, option A, Arctic Ocean. Which ministry is related with Deep Ocean Mission? Correct answer, option A, Ministry of Earth Science. What happened to the salinity of the surface of the ocean? Correct answer, option C, increases by the loss of water to ice or evaporation. What was the name of the mega ocean that surrounded the single continental mass before the continental drift as described by Alfred Wegener? Correct answer, option B, Panthalassa.